Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava chocolate. Begin by prepping your nuts and melting chocolate gently over low heat, then brush phyllo with melted butter so sheets crisp evenly. Layer nuts mixed with cocoa between phyllo sheets, add a drizzle of dark chocolate between some layers for depth, and bake until golden and bubbling. Finish by pouring warm honey syrup so it soaks through every flaky layer for balanced sweetness. Gather ingredients first to streamline the process and prevent overbaking. Chop nuts uniformly and melt chocolate using a double boiler to avoid burning. Have softened butter and fresh phyllo at room temperature so sheets don't crack. Combine honey, sugar, and lemon juice in a small saucepan and simmer until syrup slightly thickens, then cool. Preheat the oven so the layered pastry bakes immediately and textures set perfectly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. It really helps. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after carrying warm baking boxes, and it pairs surprisingly well with chocolate smells on the go. I put the product link and other deals in the description so you can find them easily. Now let's get back to the video. Work quickly when assembling to keep phyllo sheets pliable and uniform. Alternate thin layers of buttered phyllo with a light sprinkle of the nut chocolate mixture to maintain crispness and even flavor distribution. Score the top into pieces before baking so syrup can penetrate evenly and cutting is tidy when finished. Bake until edges turn golden brown and the chocolate is set but not dry for the best contrast of textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.